evening. So here I am in Missoula, Montana, and instead of getting on my motorcycle and going to the library to study, I decided to use my bicycle in order to, well, stay in shape, we'll put it that way. But as you can see, the scenery of, going to the library through Greenough Park, it's quite pleasant. Anyways, I thought that I would spend a minute of your time cruising on my evening ride. This is my sweet hike. Using a little selfie deal with the jobby that I have for photography. Anyways, I am going to go and do some screenshots that I will be posting later. And I think that the new direction of my company is, well, I think it's healthy. Anyways, here's a nice little pool I'll leave you with. Enjoy.